Hey guys, welcome to DB Adventures. My name is Deck and today I'm going to show you how we get a hotel to sponsor our stay, even if you're a small channel. Check it out. So in the past we have spent days on end trying to figure out how to market ourselves to hotels and how to be appealing to a hotel as a small brand. Now, on the internet it kind of seems impossible, but honestly it's really not. We've done 3 sponsored stays this year already, and we have 2 more coming up. So tip number 1 from DB Adventures would be to build up your portfolio. Start posting every day. Do a challenge of 1 reel per day or 1 story post per day and get your content out there. Make sure it's quality content so you have something to back up on. So tip number 2 is understanding your hotel's niche. So just like everyone, just like us travel bloggers, just like influencers, we all have our niche and what we specialise in. Hotels work exactly the same way. Some hotels specialise in party holidays. Some hotels specialise in family holidays, in weddings, in meetings, culinary experiences, whatever it may be. Every hotel has a niche, and you have to market yourself to that hotel and show them what you have to offer and how you can help build their niche and show their audience what they want to see. I'll show you how to research some hotels. This is how we go about doing it anyway. So here we have the answer to everyone's questions in the form of Google. So search hotels in a certain area. We've gone for Switzerland because we're travelling there in November. Scroll down and select your dates. Now you want it at least 3 months in advance, so make sure those dates are recorded. Then you're going to click on view all hotels. Now looking at the top results, these are sponsored results, so that shows they've got money in the marketing. So definitely you want to have a look at those hotels. There's 2 there, as you can see. You're going to click on the hotel. You're going to find the correct email address. You don't want to send it to just a generic email. Also look at the lower budget hotels as well. Now usually with lower budget they don't have as much money for marketing, but you can always try it. At this stage you're going to choose 10 different hotels from low range to mid range to high range budget. You're going to find 10 accurate email addresses going through the websites or the social media posts, and then you're going to collate that information on a document, and then we're going to get into the sponsored stay email template. If you haven't got your copy already, guys, go and check it out, From 0 to 1,000 Instagram followers in 30 days, your ultimate guide to hitting your first 1K followers, for some inside information, some great tips, and just our journey on how we did it. We'll put the link in the description below for you to get your hands on this awesome ebook. So step number 3 is marketing yourself. Maybe try and create a media kit, or on your website create a page, a work with us page. We've got one on ours, dbadventures.co.uk/work with us. Just brag about yourself. I know it's hard, but just say how good you are. You don't have to have collaborated with 1,000 brands, even if it's just 1, or even if it's 0 and you're just starting out. Show what reach you can get, or show what amazing content you create. You have to sell yourself to this hotel and show them why they should choose you over anyone else, why they should invest in you. So yeah, that's step 3. So here is the template of a sponsored stay email, which is available in our ebook along with some other ones, but this is free for you guys to have a look at. So in step number 4, you're going to copy this email, personalize it, then send it to the 10 email addresses you've just found during your research. It's important for them to know what you have to offer. You have to sell yourself. It's time to pitch yourself. Show them what content you will create for them. Make sure you over-deliver on that content as well. It's really, really, really important to do the best impression you can for the hotel. Make sure you put all your relevant links or all your relevant social media posts which will attract a hotel into working with you. This email is the first impression the hotel will get of you as a travel journalist or as a blogger or as an influencer, so make sure it's a good first impression. So step 5 is just a quick step. It's make sure you are following the hotel on any social media platforms you have. It is so embarrassing when you approach a hotel and say you love the work they do, or you really appreciate what they do, and you're not even following them on social media. How would you know? And honestly, they will check. I've done it in the past. But yeah, make sure you follow them on social media. Plus it looks good. You can comment on the recent post and say how they can improve it. I mean, people love to hear how they can improve their work and how you can help them improve their work. It's even better you're doing the job for them. So yeah, that's step 5. So step number 6 is a follow-up email. As I mentioned earlier, this will be available in the ebook along with some other great templates. So unfortunately, this is the downside about sending the hotel sponsored stay email. not every single hotel is going to reply. You might get one that replies that's interested. You might get one that replies that wants to know some more information. You might get one that replies to say no, and then the other 7 might not reply at all. So that's why this email is super important. Sometimes it can just get lost in the emails. They receive thousands of emails a day. It can go in the junk by accident. Just send this email, copy this template. Really simple email, but it's really effective. I would recommend waiting a week and then sending it after that. Step 7 is always show the hotel in the best possible light. At the end of the day, they're paying you to stay there. It could be the worst hotel you've ever stayed at in the world, but they've extended that olive branch to you. They're letting you stay there for free. You have to imagine yourself as the marketer for this hotel and show it in the best possible light. Like, inside you might know it's awful, but how are you going to convince people that it's not awful and that it's amazing? Pick on certain features that really stand out to you. Show off the best assets they have there, but make sure it's a positive review on the hotel, and make sure they would ask you to come again. That's what you want at the end of the day. You want free stays all the time. Who doesn't? So guys, thank you for tuning in today for our quick video on how to get a sponsored stay for you small channels mainly. We've had many a sponsored stays over the past following this method. I mean, it's not to say it's set in stone, otherwise everyone would be doing it, but just give it a try. What do you have to lose? Make sure you try it and let us know in the comments below if you manage to get one or not, and if not, just keep trying, keep selling yourself, never quit believing. You've got this. So thanks for watching today. Like, comment, share, subscribe, you know how it is, and we'll see you on the next one.